Okay,
Recording in progress.
great.
Hey Tripto, how are you?
Hello, Balveer. Good,
Hey, how are you?
good.
Okay, nice.
What about you, Balveer?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
I forgot your face. Can you turn on your camera?
Yeah. Just give me a second. Hey,
Yes.
yeah, go.
I think you missed a few of the classes.
Yeah. Actually, due to certain reasons, I was unable to join the class. So I'm back here.
Okay.
Okay. What was done in the last classes? Is there any update, or you can just provide me a quick?
There were there was a test, grammar test. Okay, of the first four tenses, present tense test. There we discussed a lot of topics. Like yesterday we discussed this reservation system of India. Today's topic is technology addiction, and yeah, we discussed a lot of topics. Yep.
Okay, nice. So you got I think, lot of exposure on this.
I just missed one class so far.
Okay. Okay. Where are you from? You're
I
from
I'm
South?
no, I'm from east side, West Bengal.
Okay, you're from West Bengal. Okay,
What
nice.
about you?
Yeah, I'm from North Indian side. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, okay. Everything is all right in Jammu Kashmir.
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's great. Nothing to worry.
That's great. What do you do?
I'm in college and I'm doing my bachelor's in dental surgery.
Candle surgery.
Dental. It's dental
Dental,
surgery.
dental, dental.
Sorry, sorry. Dental surgery. Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
You want candle surgery, you just fire candle after that.
Sorry, sorry. Can you repeat? What did you say?
Balvir bro,
Hey,
Balvir
bro, how are
bro,
you? Hey, why are you? I'm unable to see your face.
just a moment. Vishwas.
Yeah, can you turn on
कहाँ
the
से?
camera, please?
Yes, 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 yes. कहाँ थे यार? बहुत मिस कर रहा था मैं आपको, स्पेशली.
Yeah, एक बार camera turn कर दो. Please turn on the camera, then I will be able to see you. Where is you? Oh, hey, bro, how are you? Yeah, I missed you. Actually, I missed you a lot of
I'm
votes. You guys were active in this group. Nice. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, good, feeling good and fine, very fine,
Okay, how was your days going?
and feeling younger today
Hey, nice, it's great.
and energetic. Huh?
Yeah,
After
you're so energetic.
after uh, after meet you.
Yeah. Yeah, due to certain reasons, I was unable to join the class from I think couple of good days. Uh, so I am here back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm. I was listening to you all, what you were talking and everything. Okay, so let's start today's class. And today we are going to start with tenses. And as we have completed present tense, so today we are starting with simple past tense.
Okay, ma'am.
So simple past, or we can call it past indefinite also. First, we need to know the sentence structure. That would be subject plus second form of verb. Now, the second form of verb can be done by doing two things. As we have two kinds of verbs, I hope you know, that is regular verb and irregular verb. In case of regular verb, we add d or ed with the verb to make it past. And in case of irregular verb, the forms are totally different, right? We don't add d or ed. For example, if you say that you called Devi, so here call is regular verb. So that's why to make it past, we are adding you called Devi. You, that is subject. Then after that, you are adding called. Now, in case of simple past, to make it interrogative, you need to add did with it. So, did you call Devi? Now, whenever you are adding did, whether it is negative or interrogative, after that you need to use verb present form only. You can't use call here. That did you call Devi? No. Did you call? Okay. You are not adding ed with it. In case of negative also, you can see you did not call Devi. So that is the thing in case of regular verb. And what if the verb is irregular? For example, if I say that I went there, I went there. So I is subject, went is past form of go, right? So that is irregular verb. We are not adding d or ed with it. Now, in case of this, to make it interrogative, what we are doing, we are asking that did you go there? So whenever we are adding did with it, at that time we are using the first form of the verb, that is go. In case of negative also, you did not go there. Okay. So keep in mind the two kinds of verbs are there, regular, irregular. In regular verbs, we are adding d or ed. Everyone, please mute yourself. D or ed, and in case of irregular verb, we are just making it simple past only. And whenever we are adding did with it, whether it is interrogative or negative, we are not after that, after using did, we are not using second form of verb, we are using first form of verb. Now, next, use number 1, where to use simple past tense. Simple past is all about completed action. An action that started in the past and completed also. एक एक्शन जो पास्ट में स्टार्ट होके पास्ट में ही कंप्लीट हो गया है, फॉर दैट वी कैन यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सिंपल पास्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई सॉ अ मूवी yesterday. I didn't see a play yesterday. Last year I traveled to Japan. Last year I didn't travel to Korea. She washed her car. Like that. Hence, in simple past, it is not mandatory to use any kind of timing. Without timing also you can say and with specific timing also. For example, if you are saying that I saw a movie yesterday, so yesterday is specific time. Or if you say that last year I traveled to Japan, so last year is specific time. So specific timing can be used with simple past tense, and without timing also you can say that she washed her car. That means you are not talking about the timing, but you do have one specific timing in your mind that she washed it, मतलब उन्होंने कार वॉश किया था. कब किया था, that is in your mind. क्योंकि if that timing is not in your mind कि उन्होंने कब कार वॉश किया था, that means at that time you need to use present perfect tense. She washed her car. Why we are using simple past here? Because we have specific timing in our mind. कि इस टाइम पे किया था. But if you are saying that she has washed her car, इसका ये है present perfect. Both are past. एक किया था completed action, एक किया है present perfect is किया है, right? So यहाँ पे क्या कर चुके हैं actually. So यहाँ पे क्या है, I know generally at the time of speaking we need not to translate that. That's why I don't mention the Hindi part, right? चुका है, चुकी है, all these things. So that you also don't use it in your mind. So you need to think like that if we have a specific mind a specific time in our mind either, or we are telling it, then we need to use simple past tense. And if we don't have that specific timing in our mind, then we need to use present perfect, and both are past action only. Now use number 2, you can see that completed series of completed action, मतलब क्या, एक से ज्यादा actions. Every actions started in the past and completed also. For example, I finished work, walked to the beach, found a nice place to swim. These are the completed action. ये action complete हो चुके हैं. But by adding comma, you are adding all the sentences, all the part of the sentences. Duration in the past, as I said, any kind of duration can be used. We can use all day, all year, for 5 minutes, for 2 minutes, entire time. This time expressions can be used, but you need to remember one thing, that with simple past tense you can't use since. Okay, since can't be used with simple past tense. Why? Because since में क्या होता है, एक present तक चलने की एक possibility रहती है. If I say that it is raining since morning, so यहाँ पे क्या, since morning मतलब morning से लेके अब तक चल रही है, right? It has been raining since morning. Or if you say that मतलब जहां पे भी हम सिंस यूज करते हैं ना, वहां पे राइट नाउ तक, अभी तक चलने की एक पॉसिबिलिटी रहती है. दैट्स व्हाई एज सिंपल पास्ट इज कंप्लीटेड एक्शन, जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट यूज सिंस विद सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, क्योंकि वो कंप्लीटेड एक्शन है. एंड सिंस में एक पॉसिबिलिटी रहती है जो अब तक चलने की. दैट्स व्हाई विद सिंपल पास्ट टेंस वी डोंट यूज ओनली सिंस, नथिंग एल्स. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग कैन बी यूज्ड. हैबिट इन द पास्ट, कुछ कुछ जो हैबिट्स होते हैं जो पास्ट में हमारे हैबिट, जनरली कीप इन माइंड दैट इट इज कंप्लीटेड एक्शन. जो हैबिट पहले थे अभी नहीं है, उसके लिए भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे ही प्लेड द वायलिन, पहले वो वायलिन बजाता था. कब यूज करेंगे ही प्लेड द वायलिन? अगर वो अभी नहीं बजाता है तो. शी वॉक्ड एट द मूवी थिएटर आफ्टर स्कूल, कब यूज करेंगे ये सेंटेंस? अगर वो अभी काम नहीं करती है तो. दे नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल, दे ऑलवेज स्किप द क्लास. अगर ऐसा राइट नाउ इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन, देन ओनली विल बी यूजिंग सिंपल पास्ट. अगर ऐसा नहीं चल रहा है अभी, ये उनका पास्ट हैबिट था जो कि कंप्लीट हो गया है, तो वहां पे ही हम सिंपल पास्ट यूज करेंगे. इन केस ऑफ पास्ट फैक्ट और जनरलाइजेशन, पास्ट फैक्ट मीन्स व्हाट? पास्ट फैक्ट मीन्स a statement which was true before but right now it is no longer true. जो पहले true था अभी true नहीं है. सेम सब कुछ completed action ही है. She was shy as a child but now she is very outgoing. वो पहले shy थी लेकिन अभी नहीं है, अभी outgoing है. He didn't like tomatoes before, उनको पहले tomatoes पसंद नहीं था. That means अभी है. People paid much more to make cell phone calls in the past. तो पहले दिया करते थे ज्यादा. तो these are the simple past. Next one thing, okay, yeah, that's all about simple past. Now if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. I'm sharing the link with you. Just you revise once quickly, revise please, have a look, and then if you are having any kind of doubt, you can ask. Please check and chat. Okay, anyone has any kind of doubt regarding it? And everyone's camera should be on. In case of emergency also, please, in case of emergency only, please switch off your camera, otherwise it should be on. Okay, so today's topic is technology addiction, and it is for, I think it is for everyone. A few of the participants have different topic.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the topic? Yesterday's topic, I think we need to continue today also, no? No. We have completed, I guess. Okay, so let's start technology addiction. So who is going to start? Anirudh.
uh, Technological addiction. Okay, so the addiction, we can say that there are those people who is over excess use of mobile phones, laptops, uh, in terms of social medias, which uh, most social medias uses, which there is no use in their day life. So that can be, we can say these things that this social media, which is not any contribution in their day life, can be termed as social or technological addiction. Uh, Here the problem is that here the youth or the adult uh, uh, technological addiction is not only for the youth, even the younger people or adults or child born of uh, age of 5 to age of 80 to 80, all are addicted to this technological addiction. Uh, uh, when I see around me, uh, parents give their mobile phones to their children so that they can do their work and child can be uh, means, uh, Ma'am, for adults, technological addiction here is that they are mostly those who have no work to do. They are mostly addicted to social media, and I have to read on about this. So I will
Unable to
explain.
unable to remember any word.
No, I have not read the topic, so I need some help.
You have to make it up on the spot.
Okay, so Uh, like uh, yesterday, I was listening a video that was in American quote. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, Meta, he was trial for the social because few people means people are who are getting addicted to social media, so they are committing suicide because they get insecurity related to their body, their lifestyle, their dressing sense, and because of that, they are committing suicide. For that, the American state, one of the state court, uh, tried Mark Zuckerberg, and he was told that he should ask apology from the parents whose children had died because of the social media addiction. Uh, Almost 37% of the young users of social media uh, are exposed to nudity, and 15% of the 15% of the total user of Facebook or Instagram, they are weekly they are affected by these social media sexually contents, and because of that, he was Mark Zuckerberg was told that you should do some kind of means algorithmical changes in the social media so that these users should not be affected because of that. So uh, there are some cyber bullies means are targeted. Suppose one a person who is very famous his professional life. So and he is posting on social medias. So there are many people who asked him uh, to debate him from his position or to defend uh, his reputation. So they comment on their videos or their photos uh, that can means so that his reputation is so that they can defend that person in a X.com, that was Twitter. You can write anything about any politician. Uh, you can write any kind of abuse word, sexual words used in the social media. So in Twitter, and nobody will file a complaint against you. But in case you are going access and some people saw you, then he can file cases and you there are uh, there are other ways to use Twitter. That is, if there is some kind of issue arising out of from there is some kind of issue arises from the government. So if you post and take that ministry, if I have some problem with the railway, I can post it on Twitter and they will immediately reply and help me out. And uh, yes, there are some cases of that is revenge porn. You may have heard about the revenge porn in the social media. That is that people when they meet together and have sexual relation with each other, when they broke off with each other, then one of the partner threaten the other that if they will not pay this amount of money, they will release the video which is being made between them. So these kind of things happening because of the social media. And next, honey trapping, which is happening against Indian Army or Indian officers working in ISRO, DRDO, or some kind of ministry he is holding in government. So that is happening from the Pakistan side, which is conducted by ISI, the intelligence bureau of Pakistan. Uh, so honey trapping the uh, access the access the contents security the content of government of India, and the solution for the here is that this social media use uh, of every person of India should be of 18 years of age, which is recently in Australia a person its government of Australia has decided to limit age limit of using social media should be of 18 years and above. So we can apply this factor in India as well. And second could be under regulative body, which see the contents which are being posted on social media. If I say in 1 second, the video which is released in social media that can be uh, the amount can be watched for 200 more than 200 years, and you cannot use that 1 second of post which is happening in social media. The things is that we should limit the contents, we should limit those sexualized content which is revenge things happening in social media. So we need a regulative body, a specific uh, relief body related to that. And one more thing is that those who are addicted to social media or technologies, they should means they should control in themselves that they will limit this time of amount of time this work, and they should means put this amount of time for social media. So people can themselves regulate about social media addiction. And one more is that they can make themselves busy in doing other work so that they cannot only see the contents in social medias or only swiping all the contents because those who made the social media, they are the most skilled ITNs. They are most skilled in technology. They made the social media so we can addicted to it because the shorts which are coming before us, that is 20 1 minute short, 15 minute short, because our time limit, attention of time limit is less nowadays, and they are spending more billions of money to research on the mindset of the peoples uh, about the how they can make themselves addicted to the social media. So we need to understand that those those things that uh, uh, using social media is good. You can think that how much we are taking from social media, how much we are using social media. Like uh, someone is teaching on social media, like in YouTube, there is a teacher who is teaching on it, but we are just watching it. So instead of that, we can also contribute something on social media. That can be a better way to remove that addiction. I am contributing. I'm not just accessing social media on it. So that can be another way to remove that addiction on traditional.
Okay, as such grammatical mistake you don't make, but one thing I would like to tell that if you are using any kind of example and you are using anyone or someone with it, after that you don't use any specific gender for it. Any person can be male also, female also, right? So after that you need not to use he. In general sense, whenever we give example, we use he. But at that place, no need to use any kind of gender. Any person, that person. Okay. If it is kid, then you can say that kid. Or if it is student, that student, like that. Okay. Thank you, Anu. Okay. Next is Rinku.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I know we know technology is very important in our life in this time. Uh, mm, but it is uh, bad impact in our life sometimes, like uh, technology addiction. That means most of the time use technology. When I wake up morning, then firstly I saw a phone. Uh, i i want to say that all depends on my total whole day on technology. Without technology, we are not using our life, or using work. But in my view, technology addiction is some advantage, like in software line, improve multiple tasking, ma'am. uh, um, and improve task switching, ma'am, in particular same time, ma'am. And a technology addiction make faster learning, ma'am. Make a faster learning. And in this time, technology addiction is global connectivity to another people, ma'am. And sometimes, like a student, 60% a student is using mobile for study. um, uh, source of materials, study materials, ma'am. Then it is addiction, but sometimes it is advantage for our students' life, ma'am. And disadvantage is many types of disadvantage, because it is loss of practicing assessment in this time, ma'am. And uh, economical view, disadvantage is loss of uh, uh, employment. And disadvantage is um, uh, ma'am, in this time technology is most of the time we are using technology. So uh, I think that job displacement, most of the people, if when जहाँ पे 10 लोगों की जरूरत है, only एक या दो लोगों से वर्क कर लेता है, मैम. That's my.
Okay. So Rinku, first of all, there is not if I saw nahi hoga, if I see, right? Whenever you are giving example, it has to be present tense only. And other thing is, all the advantages you said, that is about technology, not technology addiction. Addiction can't be good at any cost. Whether you have a have an addiction of books also, but too much addiction of anything, that is not good for us, right? So technology has many kind of benefits and advantages, but technology addiction doesn't have. Okay.
No, मेरा कहने का मतलब था कि जैसे माय फील्ड इज सॉफ्टवेयर, ठीक है. तो इस फील्ड के ज्यादा बंदे क्या करते हैं, ज्यादातर टाइम वो टेक्नोलॉजी पे ही देते हैं. मतलब अगर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर लाइन में है तो वो मार्केटिंग भी बैठ के कंप्यूटर पे ही कर लेते हैं. वो
that is
अपना
not
सारा
that
काम
is
को
not
skip करते हैं.
addiction. वो addiction नहीं है. Addiction means you don't have any control over. They are working on it. वो उनका काम है, वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं. And for that, if you are spending time, maybe 14 hours also, that is not addiction, right? Addiction क्या है? नशा. कि हम कुछ भी देख रहे हैं, मतलब हाथ ऐसे चल रहा है, nothing else. We are getting addicted. We are wasting our time. Addiction सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि आप टेक्नोलॉजी पे टाइम स्पेंड तो करना ही है, वो तो अलग बात है. लेकिन अडिक्टेड, जब आप काम करते हो कोई चीज पे, वो काम आपको कंट्रोल नहीं करता है. बट वेन एवर यू आर अडिक्टेड टू एनीथिंग, दैट addiction controls you, right? So that is
Yes,
the difference. So whatever you said, that was the benefit of technology, but not the benefit of addiction. ठीक
yes,
है?
yes. Thank you.
Thank you. But
Okay.
for your practice, it was good.
Thank you.
Okay, next is yeah, Mr. Gajanan.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Uh, any external agency or any artificial intelligence that reduce human work called as technology. There are lots of benefits of this technology. Before discussing drawbacks of this technology, I will explain benefits of this technology. In daily uses, we are using different types of technology. It will definitely reduce human work and make our life comfortably. Uh, Technology plays a major role in different sectors. Uh, uh, it will play a major role from our daily routine activities to all industrial or any corporate sectors as well. Technology is not only limited to social media, mobile, laptop. It is vast, versatile, it will cover all aspects. Uh, any technology which will definitely help to grow any country. Um as we know, uh, I'm giving one example of a country, that is Japan. Most of the technology or latest technology uses this country, and they are growing day by day. Now I am talking about drawbacks of the technology. As we know, because of this technology, more and more use of the technology, human efforts, definitely human efforts reduce. It will impact on our health. Uh, sometimes small child or uh, adults also use social media, mobile, laptop. It will uh, it will impact on our brain as well. So now I am stopping. Stop.
It will affect, no, it affects. It
It
affects.
affects.
Yes,
Okay.
our brain. And you discussed about advantages and disadvantages of
Of this,
technology,
yes.
technology. But the point was technology addiction. So it was different topic, but you discussed
For
and
my practice point of view,
yeah, that is
it
okay.
is good.
But you need to understand the topic as well.
Yes, yes,
Before
ma'am.
anyone is
Definitely.
giving you any kind of topic, at that time you need to understand that we are discussing addiction, not
Yes, yes.
technology, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
How the addiction is affecting us.
It will affect on our health, mental health, physical health, social health as well. Uh, because of this technology, people are uh, more busy in their life. They are not uh, addicted in other.
They are not
Uh,
spending time with you, others.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gajanan.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Roshan.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Today's topic is technology addiction. Technology made us life many more easier, but every coin has two aspects. It made us, it made our work more easier, but it also has negative consequences. That is technology addiction. If 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 someone use technology in if someone use technology or apps, social media apps more than time without their self control, it is technology addiction. Due to technology addiction, no, and the pandemic, due to pandemic, the situation of addiction even worse, because due to pandemic, every education institution has been closed, had been closed, and irrespective of age, every student have to had to take their education through online mode, and due to this technology addiction, the situation of technology addiction even worse, get even worse. It means due and the consequence and more consequences also happen. due to technology addiction, like low concentration span. It affects mental health. It due to this, the people give more importance to virtual world than real world. It also means it also affects our relationship. It relationship to our family, because it provide very less time to build our relationship, because much time given to technologies apps. For even a book reader, means due to this, we focus very less time on our hobbies. Even a book reader, means whose hobbies is a book reader, getting addicted with technology addiction, it is very difficult to read book for that person. So it is very it has many consequences, and we should we should we should take many steps to get over in from technology addiction. Like the government should construct many social areas like parks and other thing, that people spend their time, and they do not they do not get technology. People have to change their behavior. They should sorry, government should aware increase awareness about technology, usage of technologies, because many parents many parents do not many parents ignore that their children, how much time their children should use to their mobile phones, social media apps. They do not aware of it. So government should increase the awareness. It They should focus on changing on behaviors, like taking initiative of having a tech free day, and that day they know that how much time they spend on technology. The means create create the environment that we control the technology, not the technology control us. The app creator should take the responsibility of it. Means the responsibility should be transferred on tech 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 matters. Means who create the app, not in not the responsibility should be transferred on the users, that they have to controlled on it. We should take many steps that I mentioned. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so awareness, that word can be used like in two ways. We do not have any awareness about it. Okay. Otherwise, you can say that we are not aware of it. Okay. Into these two ways, you can tell the sentence. Your sentence was wrong. Okay. Thank you, Roshan.
Okay.
Tripto. Tripto.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Technology addiction. From its name, we know that it is a bad thing, technology addiction. So the question is, how can we get over it? How can we overcome this problem of getting addicted to technology? So the first question is, why are you getting addicted to technology? So because it's it's so easy to use in comparison to the real world. Okay, the real world has lots of dangers. Like if we go out of our house, then we can get hit by a bus or something. So that is one thing. So how can we get over this technology addiction thing? We should make places out in the real world which are going to be which will welcome people, like parks. Like where I live in Chandanagar, we have got a very beautiful place called Chandanagar Strand, and I go there almost every day, and lots of people come there and spend their time. Like we would be walking, okay, or they would be coming there with their loved ones. So yeah, we need an alternative. Without an alternative, we cannot get over this technology addiction thing. And it's like, yeah, mental health, it's social health, as Gajanan said, social health, mental health, physical health. It's definitely, yeah. So, and yeah, what else can I add? I think that's it.
Okay, Tripto, so that is the suggestion. Whenever I give any topic, you need to think a little bit about it at home, because instantly it doesn't come to your mind, right? Instantly you are unable to make all the points and remember it at the right time. So you need to think a little bit that on this topic I'm going to tell. Okay. So this will help you to elaborate. Maybe you know the points only, and instantly you are elaborating it.
I should write down the points.
Yes. Either write down or it has to be in your mind, anything. Okay, then in that way you can express yourself more and you are able to speak more for you, and for your practice that is good. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Tripto. Next is Vishwas.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Vishwas.
I don't think it's a very big subject, and I express myself very well, but I will try my best. Technology is giving you a lot of facilities, a lot of achievements, and lot of achievements also. But my point of view, technology is create the laziness for anybody. Every person will be every person so lazy, and technologies create the laziness. Just example for I know very well 2 2s are 4, but I'm not confident that time. I just take a calci and calculate 2 2s are. Oh, it's a 4. So after that I will write there 2 2s are 4. I giving one more example. Last before 25 years, I need some write a new song. So I hearing the song, and after that I will write on my diary. this is the new song. And but this time, anybody ask me, that song. So I will just search Google and take a lyrics, and after that I will sing that song. But technology giving you a lot of opportunity, but it creates also laziness.
Okay. Whenever you are describing any past thing, try to use used to there. I used to hear and I used to write down. Okay? मैं
Yes,
सुनता था and लिखता था. And you
yes, yes.
said you are a small
What do you
person.
say, ma'am? What do you say, ma'am? One more thing.
I used to
Once again.
hear and write.
Okay.
मैं लिखा
Thank you,
करता
ma'am.
था and
Yes,
सुना करता था then लिखता था.
सुना करता था.
And
Yes,
why
yes.
did you say that you are a small person? Tell me that.
Sorry, ma'am.
Why did you say you are a small person?
I
To
can
discuss
understand.
this topic. You are not eligible. You don't think you are eligible to discuss this topic. Why?
Ma'am, I'm not prepared this topic.
So what? So it makes you small person.
No, it doesn't.
If you think no that you are small, then everyone else will think the same way. And I hope you don't want that thing, right? Because keep
Ma'am,
in mind.
technology is very big
So what? You
topic.
are also big. So
And
there is no other Bishwas Kapse in the whole world. Only
yes,
one,
I know.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
I know.
fact.
You are the
Thanks
only
for the
one.
build.
Keep in mind that always. We should think like that.
Thanks for,
There is.
thanks for the build
It is not
confidence.
about you. There is no other Meghna Roy also. There is no other Balveer Singh also. We are
Yes,
the one only. So we should
yes,
respect ourselves. No
yes,
one can
yes,
beat
yes,
us.
yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
Balveer. Balveer.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So we are here to discuss the topic, which is addictions of technology. As we know, technology is a God gift as well as curse. Technology has made our life much more easier before what is past. But we all know that we are engulfed in the addictions of technology, whether it's a child, adult, or old age. If you start from some few points, first is when a child is born, what we do for our comfort, when child crosses 2 year or 3 years of age, we give a small smartphone to child, and what it causes, it slowly causes addictions. And how it causes excessive screen time, constant use of digital devices like smartphones. It leads to unhealthy dependency, resulting in reduced face-to-face interactions. And when we give smartphone to a baby, like during night, it causes sleep disruption, because due to blue light exposure, it causes disruption in a newborn baby, which is totally bad for his or her health. And third one, it's a mental health concern. Like when a baby is fully addicted to a smartphone, and we ask baby that don't touch it and leave the phone, do some activities, it causes some kind of mental health concern. Like he or she is not able to throw the phone, like don't use this. And if we if the most important thing what we are doing, most of the adults are addicted to like porn sites, on which is, I think, I was shocked. Before few days, I saw a news that some kind of website, porn site, was trending on social media and Google web search. It's a major thing. It's a major thing. And when a few days back, I also came to know that uh, when a rapist mm, when a rapist opted a rape, and he was asked, why did you do this, he told to news media, when he was interrogating, he told them that from last days, he was addicted to porn. He or she was he sorry he was watching porn, and so that was the reason he thought to commit this. That was the major thing. And from this point sorry, from this point of view, like porn sites, it drastically affect on our relationship. Like most of the adults, what they do, this they go through a lot of videos, and when they came to in real, when what they see in real life, they thought that like my wife or my husband is he's not true with me, because they are only addicted to like those videos, what they see in those videos, what they listen in those videos. They thought that he or she is not true with me. So in this, they get addicted to these porn sites, and this is mainly the technology.
Actually, that was right. Many of the crimes they are committing today because of this technology. And as you said, this is the, I think, worst side of technology. Okay.
That's correct.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Balvin. And the thing is, for tomorrow's class, I'm giving one topic, that is, do we really need motivation to achieve our goals? Do,
Sorry.
do we really need motivation to achieve our goal?
Okay.
Do we really need motivation to achieve our goal? It has to be your opinion only, what you do in your life, right? The way you behave, the way you think, I want to know that only. Okay, everyone, for today we are ending our class, and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Same to you.
Thank you, ma'am.